Hello everyone, welcome to Trade. Today we're going to be seeing the weekly CPR trade review, how we could have built our view or study for the week using the weekly CPR. We're going to see the week from 13th Feb to 17th Feb. Let me just put off the price action and show you. This is the weekly CPR, which is seen on a weekly time frame. On an hourly time frame, but for the entire week. The red dotted line is the R1, black dotted line is the previous week high, then you have the CPR level, then you have S1, previous week low. Obviously the CPR, this is a custom indicator, but when you go to indicators and search for CPR, there are many which you get for weekly, monthly and the daily CPR. If you want our same indicator, you can just open the DHAN referral link, DHAN account using a referral link which is pasted below. Then you will get this link to the CPR for free. Now how to trade based on this and how to build a view is, I'll just put on the price action and see what happened on Monday. Monday we opened, came down, took support at this S1, and when we took support at this S1, we should have had a view that probably a bounce until this weekly CPR is possible, and that is exactly what happened. And then we came, retested the CPR level, almost the pivot, exactly at the pivot, and had a bounce until the R1 or the previous week high. Obviously we cannot take a positional trade based on this, but our view is on the hourly time frame. You see this type of a candle taking support at the CPR, so our view should have been we might hit this previous week high or R1, which exactly did happen. And this was on Thursday when we got this gap up, and exactly over here along with the CPR we have to look at the price action, right? We just can't believe or trust one indicator blindly. It's always price action. There was a good resistance here, 42,000. Heavy call rating was there, so we had a view that this won't break so easily. And from this weekly R1 and the previous week high, obviously this is the 1 hour chart, weekly time frame. The weekly CPR is best seen on a 1 hour chart. We could not break out of it, and then we reversed back until the CPR. This was a nice intraday move which we could have captured. Then again on Friday the CPR broke and we came down until S1 and the previous week low. Obviously how to trade on CPR, there's a detailed video on my channel. As soon as you click on my YouTube channel, you should be able to see the CPR logic for intraday trading, and that applies even on weekly time frame, right? So we know that if there's a wide CPR, we will remain sideways. Last week we just remained sideways within one range, and even on the budget it was wide CPR and sideways, but there was one big move. This was like a mega event for Indian economy, right? So we cannot consider this. We can ignore this budget week, and if we do some back testing for the previous weeks, beautifully R1 previous week high could not break. We came to CPR, we came to S1 previous week low. The same, if CPR cannot break out, we will come and touch the previous week low or the S1. And that's how even this weekly CPR levels work beautifully. So if anybody wants this indicator, you can just open the account using a DHAN account using the referral link that is below, and just let me know. You will get access to this indicator. You can ping me on Instagram or our CosmoFeed group. I'm available. You will get access to this, or you will have many free indicators also. If anybody doesn't want to open an account, you can use it. But we will track on weekly basis how the weekly CPR could have helped us or did help us for better understanding of the CPR values.